Good afternoon. We now have page 2 of Who Am I? On this page, the numbers run from number 17 all the way down to number 36. So like the previous page, if you've tried that already, you can use this page to have more questions for people to identify. So with the participants, if you're running a quiz, to see who can identify the faces that are on the page. Good afternoon. We now have page 2 for your quiz, Who Am I? So from number 17 all the way down to 36, you have a number of famous faces, and you could use this for part 2 of your quiz, where participants can identify how many faces they know. So you could have this with groups, or you could hand them out to individuals to test their knowledge. Enjoy.